international. I'm bossed up. I'm so stuck. I'm bossed up. I'm so stuck. I'm international.
This whole world tour on our last dinner in Argentina, I sat at the table and I just was thinking like, this is a dream of mine, you know, being on this world tour. You're living your passion that you love to dance.
It's crazy because you think back now and you just think, how did we do 6 weeks? You don't even really sit down and take in all the countries that you've been to. People like us, ordinary people, we don't really get to do this on a regular basis. So I think we really came back much more appreciative and less ignorant of the world.
What I learned from World Tour is definitely how to be grateful and to appreciate what I have. Obviously going to the different countries, yes, we saw the beautiful places, but we also saw like some poverty and that some people don't have it as well as we do back here at home.
The Parris Project World Tour helped me understand my personal worth in terms of my goals and my career.
You come home with so much confidence.
Just everything about it, the different countries, the different people we met, like the host, how we were treated, everything. Yeah, it was one of the best experiences and one of the best trips I've ever had.
This was really bittersweet because I had so much fun on this tour.
I was just looking at Parris as well. If she didn't follow her dreams, then we wouldn't have all met each other or been on this tour with each other.
I think just being in a place in my career where I feel good about where I'm at and I feel like I've ticked a lot of my dreams off. So this was just a moment for me to be able to share the love back to my fans and perform because, you know, as a choreographer, I'm not performing as much, I'm not dancing as much, but dance is my first love.
When we express ourselves, nothing feels better than to hear the love and support and to hear you guys cheer for us. It means so much to us. So thank you so much.
You know, if you were to ask me, would I rather choreograph or dance? I would rather dance. I love performing. There's something about being on stage that it feels electric, it feels empowering, I feel invincible. So when I perform for our fans, it's just like this feeling that makes me feel on top of the world.
Did I break your heart?
I feel like my whole life has changed since the World Tour. Now I'm living in Manchester and I get to teach all over Europe, and it was also cool doing the World Tour because now I know like how to travel. I'm very much independent now, but it's also a cool thing that I get to come back and do all the amazing things that the Palace is still doing.
Since the World Tour, I've done a few really cool projects. I choreographed and directed a video for Sierra called Level Up that became this viral sensation and had people all over the world doing the Level Up dance.
It was so cool because we got to actually meet Sierra when we filmed her video, so it was such a cool experience.
That was amazing. Oh, it was a bit dramatic, especially when I walked in. I was like literally in my same clothes that I was on like 2 days flight. Walked in, like didn't even have a shower, and like Sierra's standing there, so I just had to be like switch on. I couldn't act like I was tired. I just had to act like I knew the dance, which I didn't. And then I just jumped in and I just caught up. I feel like the Level Up clip really went fast.
Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy.
I was able to involve the request girls in that video. And it was such a success, so that was something really special. Also got to choreograph and direct a video for Enrique Iglesias, and we got to do both those videos in New Zealand.
I was so blessed and privileged to be part of Rihanna's Savage Fenty fashion show. Being a part of that experience was just crazy, and to know that I am growing in opportunities and I have these opportunities given to me is just such a blessing. It's beautiful also to still reflect on what I've done and what I've achieved at the age of 20, and what I get excited about is knowing what else is out there as well to be achieved or to do. Never be satisfied with being okay. Always reach to the top.
Following on from the world tour, Royal family just went to Canada early on in the year.
The other RF people went to Asia. We just came back from the Philippines and we're going to India soon, so there's still heaps of touring and we're still really busy.
We went to Manila. We took out the studio challenge where we took out the overall comp.
One more time, give it up for Royal Family!
I think once we came home and it was all over and done with, I think I really had to take time to sit down and, I guess, see what was created. To work with Josh on organizing the whole tour, I took a lot away from it and I tried to sit back a lot of times and learn from him.
It's been a phenomenal experience. I've enjoyed every moment of it. I'm able to say that I've been a part of something which is a first for a dance crew to tour the world with shows and workshops.
Right, let's right, left, cut, now chop. Zoom, shoot, cat, ta, ta, ta.
But it's so great to see the influence that Parris and the Palace has had across the world.
To my fans all over the world, I love you guys so much. When I was a little girl, I would dream of one day making a difference in the world through dance. And because of you guys, you've allowed me to use my platform, to use my voice, and to make a difference. So without you guys, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be doing what I do today. I wouldn't be working for these artists. I wouldn't be able to share my work. So there's not a day I don't take note of all your guys' love and support. I definitely want to do another world tour, maybe next year, but it's just been the best experience and I love performing, so it's definitely something I want to do again.
International.
It's over!
Done. That's the easiest.
That's it.
Cool. Done.
I haven't looked at the camera this whole time. I keep looking at you.
No one else knew, so I'm letting everyone know that me and Althea flew premium economy home. It was like really lavish.
Watch out.
Parris, thank you very much. And here's a hug.
Out.